Stop scrolling. If you are looking for the perfect Christmas drink, this video is for you. Today I am sharing 3 festive Christmas smoothies you can enjoy thick or sieve into refreshing holiday drinks. Easy, healthy and perfect for the season. Before we start, like this video, subscribe and turn on the notification bell because all through this festive season I am sharing easy Christmas recipes you don't want to miss. Let's check out some of our fruits. We have beetroot here. We have avocado. We also have pineapple. We will be using bananas, oranges as well, mangoes as well. But if mango is not available, you can use other fruits. We'll mention that later in the video. Also, we have lemon. We also have dates. If date is not available, you can substitute with honey. We will check out more ingredients later. Now, let's get straight into the first festive smoothies. Look at that beautiful red Christmas color. Now that our beetroot is ready, let's set this aside in the fridge. We will now prep the pineapple. The full recipe is written in the description box below. I have also added links to my 12 days of Christmas recipes there. So make sure you check it out and catch up on all the festive meals. Now get the oranges ready. This oranges looks like the little Christmas balls. Wash the body very well. Then after slicing, you need to remove the seed and cut out that hard part at the middle of the orange. Here we have the mangoes. Like I said, that if mango is not available, you can substitute it for peach, papaya, pineapple, nectarine, apricot, frozen mango cubes, if fresh mangoes isn't available. And here we have our avocado. Cut and also get this ready. Please use ripe avocados. You don't want your smoothies to be bitter. The unripe one, we have that green color outside, while the ripe one, we have this kind of purple color outside. That means it is very ripe. Please don't trash the seed. This seed has various things you can use it for. We have a video on 3 refreshing smoothies for weight management. It is also a detox smoothie. In this video, you're going to learn different ways you can use this avocado seed and also the flesh. So don't discard these 2 things. Just go to the description box below, you're going to find that video. Now wash the bananas, peel and then cut into smaller pieces. Once this is ready, also set aside in the fridge. Here is a tip. Once you've gotten all your fruits ready, keep them in the fridge. Let them keep cooling while you make your blends one after the other. Now it's time for blending. This is our first blend of smoothie. And here is the second blend of smoothie. If you are new to the channel and you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell for you to be notified whenever we drop a new video. We drop new recipes every week, so we would love to have you in our recipes and active lifestyle community. Don't forget that you can substitute your date with honey. And for the cream, you can use yogurt, evaporated milk, or tiger nut milk. In the 3 refreshing smoothie for weight management video, you're going to see where we make our tiger nut milk for smoothie. So watch that video, the link will be in the description box. We also have a video on how to make yogurt at home from scratch. Check out the link in the description box below. And here we have the 3rd smoothie recipe, which is the last but not the least. Are you loving my recipes and tips? You will find even more in my exclusive ebooks or cookbook, a complete guide that covers everything from delicious meals and baking secrets to event planning and natural hair growth solution, plus my online classes which guides you step by step. Check the description box below to grab your ebooks or sign up for a class. Let's level up together. This is the first smoothie. This first smoothie is rich, fruity, bright, full of Christmas vibes. You can enjoy it thick as a smoothie or sieve it to get a smooth, refreshing festive drink, perfect for family gatherings. This second smoothie is greeny, bright, fruity, and full of Christmas vibes. It is a refreshing way to celebrate the season. This 3rd smoothie is also a showstopper, rich, creamy, and packed with festive colors. It is thick and it is silky, refreshing Christmas drink everyone will love. Which one is your favorite? Please drop it in the comments. I would love to hear from you. Also, don't forget to check the description box below for the full recipes and the link to my 12 days of Christmas recipes. And there you have it, 3 festive Christmas smoothies you can also enjoy as drinks. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone preparing for Christmas, and subscribe for more festive recipes all through December. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell for you to be notified whenever we drop a new video. Kindly follow us on our display social media handles. Let us become friends and advance together. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year in advance. See you in my next video.